to our farm. Hi guys! Welcome to our farm! Yeah! Day 1.
Ang pantay sa buo.
Wala oy. Tara. Okay, let's go. So this is our farm. Welcome to our farm. So naami saging. Tay, unsa ni na saging tay? Lakatan, no? Lakatan. So naapod mi mga fruit trees and this is jackfruit or aka langka. So this is our farm. Yan. So welcome to Lipukio, and it's so muddy here. Char. So lapox.
Lasip choy. Uban.
Wala lang na siya. Doggy, diri lang ka doggy. Okay.
Uy, uban na sila.
So you decided na mo.
Isulod usa ni si Choy dito sa kwarto.
So this is our farm. Dagko nang ato ang mga kasagingan. So diretso lang ni. Okay. Okay, basta mabulasa ta. So gabi nag-ulan. So lapok siya. Char. Welcome to the farm. Yeah, come on. View from our farm. This wonderful Saturday morning. Yun. Yeah, we have the kids from the neighborhood. Yeah, so pretty. A breath of fresh air. Yay! Keep it coming. Keep it coming. Yeah. So you wanna say hi to the vlog? Hi vlog! Welcome! Welcome to our little farm here in Alabel, South Cotabato. So, wow. So the kids will go first. Medyo nahadlok pa gamay. Ayan. Sige ha, careful. Ako daw yung mag-careful. Ay, churot. Kasi madalin na sa ni. Dalaw kayo. Ay. Oh, wala na. Ang gunit ang mga kaigsunan. So, kani siya nga tanom, when I was young, magsakit akong ipon. Ano lang na siya pakuluan, tapos umumog. Layo mong kaitag dentist sa una. Yes! Kinuwit nyo! Yeah! So, expected nga ang tubig is Milo-wish kay nag-olans. So it's not clean. It's not really clean. Yeah. This is our farm from the river. So we used to swim. When I was young, we used to swim here. Ayan. Ano, natamakan siya? Oo. Yan.
Ako be. Mura ka dito, misteryoso.
Say hi to the vlog.